Hey, what's up guys, it's Katie Cloudy and the Windows 10 Fall update is finally here. But what's new? Well, the Fall update is basically like a 0.1 update for Windows 10. So the feature it carries can be broadly categorized into personalization, apps, and some miscellaneous stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first feature under personalization is new right-click menus. The menus look more consistent now with a fresh new look. However, I think the font is way too small, but it's readable. Now, this is a feature which most Windows fans will like. You now have the option to show color in title bars of apps. This feature only works with traditional desktop apps, but I think it's a great new addition in terms of the aesthetics and the overall experience of the whole OS. There are also little additions such as you can now show more tiles in the start menu as well as remove the Windows background picture in the sign-in screen. In the apps department, there is a new app called Sway. Sway is basically an app which combines the experiences of Microsoft Publisher and Microsoft PowerPoint in a much more attractive way. Edge also has some backend improvements along with a new feature which lets you preview tabs. Well, this feature didn't work for me much often, and also I didn't find myself using it. Up next, we have Skype, which is now broken into three separate apps: messaging, Skype video, and phone. Messaging is the Skype client for texting. I found this app to be very plain with a bug which doesn't show notifications for new messages. I personally did not like the app very much because of its plain UI as well as very low selection of emojis. The Skype video app is a similar situation. You can place video calls over Skype, but it lacks some of the features from its desktop counterpart such as screen sharing or texting simultaneously. The phone app is pretty much useless because it only shows your call history and can place a call through another app. It might be useful on as a dialer on phones but not on PCs. Moving on to miscellaneous features, this is my favorite one. You can now use a slider to change the space of each snap tap. There are also additions such as you can now activate Windows 10 using an 8.1 or 7 product key, and there are lots of bug fixes throughout the entire OS. I did not find much improvements in day-to-day performance, but I did notice this odd bug which did not show the Chrome logo on a pinned small size tile in the start menu. And the last but not the least feature is Cortana. It is now available in India, Canada, Japan, and Australia. Cortana has become a lot more intelligent and now syncs with your phone for a couple of features. It also can take notes using touch inputs as well as remind you for your upcoming events and movie bookings too. And that's pretty much all you get with the fall update. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you appreciate my content. Subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.